Hi, my name is Fatima Dili, and I love to help entrepreneurs and also freelancers. And yeah, I also love AI. I'm daily user of it, and yeah, what my mission is like to make people easier to use AI for the daily work, and my mission is also to uh, share as much as I can knowledge with the same purpose to win more knowledge from the comments or to win more knowledge to learn from you. So if you have any idea or if you have a better idea how we can do the website or any business development skill, please write for me in the comments because I read all the comments and yeah, the idea of sharing knowledge for me is like because I want also to learn knowledge. So, and by practicing and sharing these knowledges, I always learn new stuff. And yeah, let's do it today. I will do a website for my friend. It's not called John, it's another name, but for this demonstration purpose, I just use it as a John Consulting. I make a prompt for him, and then I just wanted to create a website for a law firm named John Consulting. Just name it as you wish. Based in Hamburg, Germany, the firm consists of 6 lawyers, John and 5 others. The website should reflect credibility, professionalism, and also modern aesthetics. So I created some requirements. So what kind of technology we should use, design, which primary colors, how many pages should have, and also create a logo for him. And other features should be responsive design, yeah, accessibility, the best practices, smooth scroll and section revolves on scrolling, and yeah, sticky navigation and footer list, quick links, and legal disclaimer. So what I can do now is just copy paste that, and I will go to Cloud AI. By the way, I'm using uh, a premium uh, cloud, so you can also use free or yeah, you can buy for this monthly subscription. And yeah, now I will just copy paste this prompt. I will copy paste also the prompt in the field of comments, and you can see there. Let's check what kind of websites AI tools will prepare for us. Yeah, it's Tailwind. It starts with Tailwind configuration. Here, as we can see, there are some animations, and yeah, you start to create all the pages. And now we have to wait a bit. I will pause the video, so I will come back in a few minutes when it's done. So yeah, after a few minutes, we have the website is ready. So we can just go here to the version 2. It had some problems during the version 1. It makes some errors. I just say to repeat it, and then we have this version. So I will go back to my computer, and then we have this website here. I will edit with Notepad++. You can use also Visual Studio Code. And then here I will just copy paste that. I think these are, uh, okay, let's check. What does it make? We need Tailwind CDN. Sometimes when you create a website, it doesn't use the last Tailwind, or it use wrong Tailwind CDN. You can go here, not that link. I will put the link also in the comments part. So yeah, maybe this one will work. Let's check. Of course, sometimes when you create websites, you have to go back and forth, and that's part of doing website and in every job, I think. Yeah, we have here Tailwind, the last one. As we can see, doesn't work from there. So here, I just copy paste and then removed the last uh, Tailwind. I will use this one just for checking that. And then here we have, because I wrote it is in Hamburg, as you can see, it makes for me in German. Of course, if you want to make it better, you can say, yeah, make in two languages, and also will create in two languages. And as you can see, also it creates a logo for us. Of course, you can edit that, or you can also create another logo, and then about us. As you can see now, we have a bit problem with the language, so maybe in the prompt you should write make only in English or maybe only in German. And also sometimes and many times doesn't create the images, so if the images you have to create by yourself. What you can use also is Unsplash website. I will put also that in the comment side, comment section, and then you can also yeah. But as you can see, you can see all the effects. As you can see here is like hover effect, and then you have also hover effect for services. And here, as you can see, there are some services that this company use, and then contact data, and then map location if you want to use website from that. I mean, map location is like Google Maps when you can use it. And here I can see it redo it a part of contact, so I will delete that. And I will show you how you can also upload, how you can edit one photo. So for example, we need this office interior, so this alt. So I will go back here, so office interior. Yeah, we see here there is EMG, all the HTML elements that have EMG source. It means this is the source where you should put the image, and then image is a, yeah, as you know, image from English, and then Unsplash. Okay, unsplash.com. Oh, this is another picture, but I will go back again. I will download one picture for that. Lawyer. Uh, yeah, maybe we can use. Oh, I will check for free, and then orientation horizontal landscape, and then yeah, we can use this one for example. Download free. Of course, you have to give credits for that, and I will use this. Maybe I can use this one. Is a smaller one. Yeah, okay. Let's use video, and then find the folder where you want to use that image, and then I will say to here it's I don't know, law office. And then you have to check in the end what kind of file it is. It could be JPEG, it could be PNG, it could be SVG, or I don't know, GIF or other file types. And in this time we have GPX. So in the source you have to write the name of the image that we already uploaded, and it was Love Office. So, and then here, and then it's GPG. If you create a folder, so you can create, for example, folder with the name images. We already have that, so I will not create that again. So I can just move there. You just have to change here images slash love office dot jpeg, and then as we can see here, it's shown here. And then, for example, we need to create, I don't know, let's make this one. Of course, you can create your own, you can upload your photos. This one is free. I will use it. This one, I will use it here. Lawyer, law, picture one. And then we have here Laura Schmidt. Of course, you have to edit that with your lawyer names, and if it's another company, I mean, you can use other names. Whenever you see this kind of text, what you see here, you can all of that you can edit. You can just copy paste that text and then go to the Notepad++ or Visual Studio Code and then edit that. So whatever you write here, so for example 2025, whatever you write here, it will show in the website. So now I will change that. And yeah, what we was doing was changing this Laura Schmidt picture. I will search for that with yeah, here it is, and then it was inside the folder images. And then how was the name? Let's go again here, images, and then it is low picture one. And then we have to check what kind of picture it is in properties. Yeah, it's JPEG, and then .jpeg, and as you can see, now it shows in that part. You can do for all of that, and also you can change, of course, the address. Yeah, everything what you see, you can just search for that, and then you can change it. Wall, not 63, but 65, or the telephone number you can change to another number. So whatever you change here, it will show in the website. How to upload and how to create a domain, and how to buy a domain and how to buy a host, and how to connect this kind of how to connect domain with host, how to open your email account with your info at name of your business, you can see on my channel. I already uploaded two videos how you can do that. So if you're interested more how you can buy a domain for your company, and also how you can configure your email and also your domain and host, you have on my channel. I hope you like it, and if you like it, please subscribe and share with others that maybe they will need this video and this tutorial. And also, if you have any idea what should I do next, please write me in the comments. I will do it. Thanks a lot. Bye.